Alright, so let's continue learning about the elements of gamification. So here we're going to find some elements that involves gamification. The first one is going to be this, avatars. So students, or this method requires of avatars because they play a role for the student. And students love creating their avatars, so that's a funny activity and that's going to be really meaningful for them. The other element is level, so it is important to create activities. If our students are maybe overcoming the first level, it's great if they go to the second, the third, and so on. So levels, it's really important to add in our classrooms. The third element is control. So as teachers, we need to take control on the activities that we planned. They have to have an objective during our activities. So that's important. The other one is objectives. That's the element. We need to create activities in which our students are going to overcome or acquire different skills. Our activity has to get that objective because we need to reach or achieve different goals. So every activity has to be prepared with an objective. It is not just for fun or waste of time. No, it has to be. It has to get an objective. And the other one are the prizes. This is the most important for our students because when they overcome one level or different levels, at the end they get a prize, and that's really meaningful for them. So don't forget to add these elements or take in account these elements of gamification and apply into your activities in your classroom. So take a look of this and create your activities with gamification.